Assalamu alaikum YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is Xavier, and today for you guys, I'm gonna do a little something different for you guys today. Normally I would do a sneaker related video, but today I'm gonna do a fitted hat related video for you guys because if you guys don't know, I'm not also just into sneakers, but I'm also actually into fitted hats. And it's been about a year now since I got into fitted hats, and I've bought quite a few hats ever since then. So my collection has just grown exponentially ever since I started buying last year and got on that fitted hat craze. But without further ado, let's get into my latest pickups and I'll show you what fitted hats I bought, well, within the past week, I would say. So the first pickup is coming from Lids Hatdrop. I did go ahead and open these boxes beforehand just to make it easier for you guys. And opening this box up, and we got a little paper here. The first hats I got from Lids Hatdrop were from the latest Monfu Profit Lids Hatdrop, I guess, a collaboration. Basically, this was the mini cord pack or the mini corduroy pack in this case. And the first I'm going to show you guys is going to be this New York Yankees one here. This New York Yankees is in this beautiful maroon color on the crown, while the brim itself is this nice dark navy. The under visor is of the Kelly green color, which I like a lot. Gives that nice classic look. And on the side patch, we have the 1998 World Series, I believe this is the 1998 World Series patch. Let me just quickly check. Yep, that's what it's looking like, either that or 97. So there you guys go on the back. And the batterman on the back is also flat, and it has this nice gold and blue embroidery, as you guys can see. This is definitely one of my favorites in the pack for sure, probably my second favorite. And just a beautiful clean Yankees cap. The hat is a little flimsy, but I think overall though, the quality and of it being a corduroy hat is pretty dope in my opinion. I do like corduroy, so it's really popular material right now. So that's the first one from Lids Hatdrop. And the second hat from Lids Hatdrop from the Monfu mini cord collection is actually my favorite from the entire drop, and it was the one I think that was people's least favorite. And this was the Chicago White Sox. We have again black corduroy in the crown. The visor is this nice, or brim in this case is nice gray brim, and again we have a green under. And again, the top button right here is this gray color as well. The front logo is a logo that we haven't seen used quite often for White Sox hats, and it's one that I like a lot personally. Just a basic white sock, as you guys can see, with the base in the background. I like that a lot personally. Just makes it unique, makes it stand out. And then the side patch here for you guys is going to be the 2003 All-Star Game side patch, as you guys can see. And the back, again, we have that gold flat batterman embroidery with a little bit of blue and red. And again, pretty clean, can't go wrong with this black and white Chicago White Sox hat. The reason why this just stood out to me more was because of the wearability of this hat. And I think you just get off with a lot of fits with this hat, and just a simple, nice, clean hat. So that was the pickups from Lids Hatdrop. The next store that we're going to get into is going to be coming straight out of Austria, and it's going to be Topperzstore. Now this hat right here I'm wearing, the Seattle Mariners, is also from Topperzstore. And Toppers, the past year, probably ever since I got back into the fitted hat game, is honestly my favorite hat store to shop at. So the first thing I picked up was probably my more anticipated hat from Toppers within the past 2 weeks. I was waiting for this hat to come up for a minute, and this was going to be the Seattle Mariners in this nice teal and copper color. The whole front crown is this nice stone color, and this is just such a beautiful hat. I'm gonna put some b-roll up for you guys too as well, but in the sunlight, that copper is going to be shining for sure in the S. And you guys can see we have that teal brim right there. The UV is this nice blue, sky blue, I believe it is, in the under. The side patch we got is the what it used to be the 50th anniversary or 40th anniversary. Nope, correction. It is the 30th anniversary, my bad. So we got the 30th anniversary side patch, as you guys can see right there. And that is also in this beautiful teal blue. You can see that pat from Toppers through a little bit of that copper embroidery as well in the hat. And just a very, very beautiful side patch. The back of the hat, again, we have another flat batterman. We have a teal copper embroidery, as you guys can see again right there. White guts on the inside. And this is just one of my favorite hats to drop in the past few weeks from Toppers. I think like I said before, probably my most anticipated hat. So very glad to pick this up. And then my last pickup is also coming from Toppers as well. And this hat I wasn't even planning to pick up at first, but then when I kept seeing it on the website, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick it up because I don't have any hats from this specific team right here. And my whole priority was on the my whole priority was going to be on the Seattle Mariners, but I ended up saying screw it, let me pick this one up as well. And this is going to be the San Francisco Giants in this nice navy color right here. As you guys can see, the entire hat all the way around from the crown to the brim is this nice navy color. The UV is in the Kelly green, and I like Kelly green UVs a lot. And then this Giants logo is just amazing. Super clean embroidery. We have the orange and yellow embroidery right there, and if you guys can't tell, this is a Golden State Warriors hook pretty much. In the late 90s and throughout most of the 2000s, Golden State did wear this this hook was their uniform was pretty much navy, and they had these orange and yellow hints as well for their away jerseys. And the side patch for this is the 1984 San Francisco Giants side patch as well. And this is a beautiful side patch. This is the first, I think, Giants hat I have in my collection also. So not a bad one to go after for my first one. I definitely do want more logos when it comes to this San Francisco team. And the Batterman on the back too as well is this nice flat Batterman. Again, we have an orange and navy with the white mixed in, so very nice. And that's pretty much all my pickups for you guys today for the fitted hats. Let me know what you guys would think of this type of video down below in the comments. Do you guys want to see more fitted hat videos? I think I want to implement more different types of content on my channel, so I definitely might add some more fitted hat stuff in the near future. The more pickups I get, I'll probably keep showing off my holes and whatever stuff I end up picking up in the next few weeks. But pretty much that's a video for you guys. Follow me on my social media down in the description below. And once again, guys, all the hats I got here so far from this pickup haul, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.